Here while hovering, you can see this is going to change, but we can make this color of it a little bit different to look better. And here I'm going to click. As you can see, the menu is coming, and when I'm clicking, it's coming back to main page. As you can see, we could achieve very nicely to this kind of animation. If you found this tutorial useful, please like this video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be updated about new upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.